and there's no difference when it comes to Brugal. But let's get a cocktail here. I am not going to make you the classic. I'm going to make you my spin on the classic. I call it a Daiquiri Time Out, okay? You know, daiquiris. Now, first thing we want to do, we want to chill our glass. We want a cold cocktail glass. Again, folks, cold cocktails are happy cocktails. Alright, now we're going to take our mixing tin. It could be a mixing glass, whatever have you. If it's a plastic shaker, that's okay. We're going to start off with our least expensive ingredient, which is going to be lime juice. We get distracted. We're all fallible, okay? Nobody's perfect. But if you make a mistake, at least you're dumping out pennies of juice and syrup and not dollars of very, very delicious alcohol. Alright, it's a good habit to get into whether you're a bartender or you're just an at-home novice. So, daiquiri should be boozy, more citrus forward, with a touch of sweetness. So we're going to do 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And again, if you do not have a jigger at home, that is okay. You could use a tablespoon. A tablespoon equates to approximately 1/2 ounce, a half ounce of liquid by volume. So it might take you a little bit longer to build a cocktail, but nonetheless, you can still participate. Now, you can use a simple syrup. Again, simple syrup is simple. A cup of sugar, a cup of hot water. Mix it together till the sugar is gone. It's simple, not complicated, folks. This is a cinnamon vanilla syrup. I'll shoot the recipe out to you later on, but if you made the cinnamon syrup with me before, I'm going to teach you how to make a vanilla syrup. You're going to put those together. Boom! You got a new flavor, cinnamon vanilla. It smells like Cinnabon. Can't say that, actually. I'm allowed to say that. All right, three-quarters of an ounce, Joe. We don't want to make it too sweet. How you go? Are you making cocktails too, man?
You hit the nail on the head, Steve. When you're talking about sweetness, that was always my hang-up with making rum cocktails. Sweet on sweet is a problem. So having Brugal handy is great. Brugal is dry, not sweet. So it kind of, when you have a dry base, it's a lot easier to keep a balanced cocktail. Having sweet on sweet is challenging.
And for those of you at home, that's what dry means. Dry doesn't mean just dry. I mean, it's liquid. It's going to be wet. Little liquor humor for you there. Dry is just the opposite of sweet. It's not going to be cloying. It's not going to take over your palate. Think of like a really, really sweet dessert wine, like an ice wine, okay, that is super, super sweet, okay, it's almost cloying. Dry is the complete opposite of that, just really kind of just more of a grassy, herbal texture. All right, so I just did 2 ounces of our rum here. You can use other kinds of Brugal rum. I like to throw their age statement in there, like their amber level. Just adds a different level of spice. It's great for summertime. You want just a little bit more flavor. This is going to be a very flavorful daiquiri because we've got that cinnamon vanilla. So we're going to get our shake on. You know it's right because you can beat David Copperfield. And you get your shake on. All right. It's Friday, folks. Shake it like you mean it. Oh, Joe's at home shaking it. He's loving it. All right. We are there. We are there. Now, these are cocktails that you can make at home. These are cocktails that you can make for brunch this weekend. Whether it's you and somebody else, whether it's you and a very, very small group of people. I think it's like less than 6 now, right? Enjoy yourself. Here's a Daiquiri Time Out for all you. Let's get that water out of there. Boom. And we're going to strain that into our chilled coupe glass. You can only smell it from here, man. It smells so good. All right, now when it comes to a garnish for a daiquiri, this is where I get a little crazy. When it comes to bartending, and I'm actually making it for a lot of different people, I usually just go with a lime wedge. You have a wedge there because it's an invitation to squeeze. If you just put a wheel on there, it's just saying, all right, it's going to just be decorative. It looks nice. So if you want to add acidity to a drink, you want to give that guest the option of doing it, add a wedge. If you just want the decorative look of citrus, just go with a simple wheel. Personally, though, I don't like to waste fruit, so I'm actually going to go with my dehydrated lime wheels here. I'm going to pop one of those bad boys, let it float like a raft, and lost, man. And that's it. And that is a Daiquiri Time Out with Brugal Special Extra Dry Rum. Cheers to you, Joe.